What's up, it's Bella. Welcome to the video. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be showing you guys a little couples routine, a little night in the life of Joey and I. Today is his last day on shift. He is almost here and I've got a fun little dinner for us to make. We typically like to cook together, so we're gonna have filet mignon and a salad, and I have like this addiction to mushrooms and like a browning sauce, so we're also gonna make that. You guys haven't seen Joey a lot on my channel, so I'm really excited to show him a little bit more. I am gonna go ahead and shower and have that part of the evening done, so then whenever he gets here, there's hot water for him. He hasn't had his apartment the past 4 days. He has an apartment in Plant City where his work is because I'm in Tampa. It's like a 35-minute drive. So I haven't seen him. I'm really excited. My hair is already clean, so we're not gonna do anything but a nice little body shower. Use some of my favorite shower oil, wash my face, and moisturize after. See you guys in a sec. Hey guys, I feel so good and refreshed, moisturized, and ready for a very successful evening, which sets you up for a very successful next day. Why does my lip color look that bright on camera? It's really not that bright, you guys. It's just cherry lip balm. Okay, anyways, I'm hungry. Let's cook. I'm definitely a huge fan. Joey's home and Bilge's happy.
Look at this deliciousness.
Look guys, I did filet mignon and I did a cucumber, red onion, like balsamic salad. Oop, my onion hanging off. Oh, and then I did a very stinky cheese on top because I like it.
Very stinky.
Mushrooms. This looks really good. I'm
excited. I love a good stinky gorgonzola.
No, it's actually still in something, like still in or something. I don't know. Like
is it gorgonzola though?
Yeah, I think so. And we have olipopps. What's your flavor? You have grape.
Grape. I've been on the grape wave. I've had grape C4 this week, grape electrolytes, and a grape olipop all in one day. I'm a grape fiend, I suppose.
Oh yeah. Wait, let's pray. You guys, we are finally sitting down. Dinner was phenomenal. Joey, did you like it?
Oh, it was so good.
It was
Steak
good.
was cooked perfectly.
It was pretty good. We cleaned up, Joey showered, and now we're finally relaxing. We are going to do our favorite thing that we love to do as a couple, and that's red LED therapy. This is something we really love to do in our routine. I talked about it a little while ago, but Omnilux is sponsoring this portion of the video. You guys know that I love this thing. I've talked about it many times here on my channel. It has truly helped me in more ways than one. I've put so many people onto this mask, okay? It looks a little scary at first, but when you see the results, you're probably gonna be like, oh my gosh, I need one of these. And Joey also has one too. It's the Omnilux Min. So we're gonna do our nice little routine like we always do and just enjoy each other and just vibe out and yeah.
Get our anti-aging on.
Yes.
I think I need one for Dolce so I can never get old.
Like, can dogs have this? Because I don't want my dogs to age. Okay, we look a little crazy, but this is our routine, you guys. I swear by it. I have been using this for about 5 months now, and I used to have horrible acne. I was on Accutane twice. I had really deep-rooted cystic acne. It was hormonal. And so I had so many dark spots and scarring, specifically on my chin, which is like where the acne was the most, but also where I picked at it the most when I was young. And doing this mask only takes 10 minutes a day. 10 minutes of your time to just focus on yourself and really help your skin just become a revived pigmentation, elasticity, collagen, all the things. And my dark spot reduction has gone down like an immense amount, and I'm just so happy. I feel so much more confident. My collagen has just boosted in my skin. I'm glowing. This is something I love. Like, I'm so passionate about it.
Working in high stress environments, as I started my new job down here in Florida, I've pretty much gotten very far away from self-care in terms of exercising in terms of skincare and other avenues. But once Bella got this tool, I've kind of started going back down the correct path of taking care of my body,
Gym and everything.
And our routine couch time, accompanied by Dolce, is always the best time of the night. So just a quick 10 minutes with the mask on, get a little time with Dolce, and it's perfect. Being in a industrious manufacturing environment, there's obvious hazards and risks to your skin as well as aging in general. So this is a pretty solid tool to mitigate that aging.
Yeah, for sure. A lot of people use it for tons of different uses. I mean, we all have different skin that requires different things, but it helps with skin discoloration. Pigmentation is what I love it for and like what I've noticed a huge difference with. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, it definitely helps smooth those out and just kind of blurs them a little bit more, and it just really like improves the collagen production within your skin. So you have like a lot more elasticity, especially when you like press your skin. That bounce back is really important, and then the red light therapy just really helps boost that. And if you don't believe me, there's literally a study out there that has a reduction of 70% for inflammatory acne in someone's skin by using a red light LED mask. So the proof is in the pudding, you guys. I have struggled for years to find something that helps my dark spots and my acne and not feel like I have to wear makeup every day. So I love this. I'm so happy that Joey is on this wellness journey with me now because I have really locked in this year. So I'm happy that he is now sharing some skincare stuff with me. It's just been really fun and a different fun way of being intimate as a couple. I do have a link down below if you guys want the purchase and a discount if you guys are interested. I highly recommend. I think it's a great gift for someone. I think it's a great gift to yourself to really help you really just push more into your self-care journey and love yourself more. I genuinely look forward to this time where we can just be here and breathe and just enjoy ourselves and work on ourselves at the same time.
And also look extremely cyberpunk.
Yes, we look pretty cool right now, don't we?
You want your baby doggy?
Aww.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
He doesn't know how to kiss you. And
Dolce, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, buddy.
Give me a kiss?
Dolce, give me a kiss.
Aw, he tried. Aw, he's kissing you. He's doing what he can. Dolce's a little skeptical of what's happening right now. He's always just like a little freaked out by the red masks. Hey, buddy. You guys, we are watching Eating Every Red Food by Good Mythical Morning. We watch Good Mythical Morning often. Like whenever we can, we really like all of their stuff. So this is how we're winding down.
I've been watching Rhett and Link since I was a young lad.
I just started watching them, what, like 6 months ago? Recent, but I've been really loving it. So that's what we're watching now to wind down. Our teeth are brushed. We have flossed. Joey's having... Did you just have pickle just after you just brushed your teeth up?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna still use mouthwash.
Yeah, please. That is so gross. I was like, I just realized after I said it that you just...
And it was a little spicy.
That's crazy. He's crazy.
Look at him.
Dolce's perfect.
Look at how perfect and happy
Okay, look at how cute he is. Look at that baby boy. Wow.
He loves his ducky.
Wow. Do you like your ducky?
Ready to go night-night, buddy? But
anyways, we are going to bed. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching our routine. I am exhausted. I've been up since 4. So is Joey. We both been on our grind today. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Link below to shop. As always, everything. Skincare, all of my shower stuff, Omnilux, all the things. Do you have a special quote to say?
I do not.
Think of one. What's on your heart?
I don't know. You totally threw me off guard.
You gotta say something. What's something that you've been learning? What's something you can teach someone? Anything. You've got wisdom. I put him on the spot. He's like, I'm nervous. You got this.
Don't use $100 words in a $5 room. Is that a good one?
Oh, that's good. Good job, babe. He's so smart.
You gotta freaking let me prepare.
Good night, guys. They're so cute. Love you, baby.
Love you. Good night.
Night.